follow, and let's see how that works. Now, before we look at the follow, I would like us to first look at something called lists. Lists. A list is a collection of items. So a list allows you to store many items in the same container. You know, if I have a, let's say name equals to Taye, and I come here and I say name equals to Kenny. If I say print name, what will I see? Hello, please can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hi, thank you, ma'am. If I say print name, what will I see? Okay, Taye Kenny. Okay, nice one. Mr. Kingsley, what will I see?
So you see Kenny.
Okay, I'll see Kenny. Alright, nice one. Mr. Kingsley, what will I see?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can hear you now.
If I run this code, what will I see? Okay. Now, if I run this code, I'll see Kenny. Name will first be Taye. Right. When it gets here, Kenny will overwrite Taye. And when we run the code, we're going to see Kenny. Any question? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, I wrote double O. Yeah, okay. So we have Kenny here. So we want to look at the data type that we allow us to store the two names inside a single container. So that is a list. A list is denoted with a square braces like this. This tells Python that we want to create a list. Now we can keep our items inside this list. You separate the items with a comma. So if I say print names, if you print the two of them, do we understand?
Yes.
Alright. So a list allows you to store multiple items inside the same container in Python. Now, let's store more items there. So I can store as many items as possible. Just keep in mind that you separate the items with comma. But you see these items in a list, they are arranged in a particular order. Right. The first item here is at position 0. The second item is at position 1. The third item is at position 2. The fourth item is at position 3. Do we get it?
Yes, sir.
So the first item position 0, second item position 1, and not like that. But keep in mind the first item is at position 0. So this position is what we call index. So we say the first item is at index 0. We say the second item is at index 1. We say the third item is at index 2. And so on and so forth. So if I want to see the first item now, I'll say names Tell me the value at index 0. This is how you denote index. Square braces like this. 0. Tell me the value at index 0. So that is going to give us Taye. If I say index 1 here, that will give us Kenny. If I say index 2, that will give us Elizabeth. If I say index 3, that will give us Kingsley. If I say index 4, that will throw an error. Any question before we continue?
No questions, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Let's proceed. So there's also an inbuilt function, an inbuilt method to count the number of items in a list. We call it len. Len. This tells us the number of items in a list. If I say len names, how many items do we have in names? 4, right? So len names is going to give us 4. Let's count it out. So len tells you the number of items in the list. Having said that, now we'll come back to lists maybe in the next 2 classes or next class. Now let's talk about loop, for loop now. For loop. If you have a list like this, you can loop through it. You can have access to each item in it. Imagine I want to display my name is Taye, my name is Kenny, my name is Elizabeth, my name is Kingsley. So I can say I'll put a variable here. I can call it any name. I can call it my name in names. You see, my name will first be Taye. It's now going to run the code here. Print so my name will first be Taye. It's going to be my name is Taye. When it's done, my name becomes Kenny. It's going to print my name is Kenny. When it's done, my name becomes Elizabeth. It's going to print my name is Elizabeth. When it's done, my name becomes Kingsley. It's going to print my name is Kingsley. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
My name
Yes,
in
sir.
thank you, sir. Thank you. My name in names. Names is the name of this variable, this list. So my name represents each item there. Now I have a question. If I run this code, what am I going to see? If I run this
My
code,
name, right?
yes, I can hear you, sir. Please, what am I going to save? I want this code.
No, I'm not in your screen. Let me log off.
So you see here.
I'm not in your.
I'll see hello. Is it just hello?
I don't know.
Now, this is it. For my name in names, my name will first be Taye. It will print hello. Then my name becomes Kenny. It will print hello. Then my name becomes Elizabeth. Then it will print hello. Then my name becomes Kisley. Then it will print hello. Then my name becomes Peter. Then it will print hello. So if you run this code now, you are going to see hello 5 times. Do we get it? I come again. My name will first be Taye. Then it's going to enter here and run the code here. It will print hello. Then my name becomes Kenny. Then it will print hello. Then my name becomes Elizabeth. It will print hello. My name becomes Kisley. It will print hello. Then my name becomes Peter. Then it will print hello. And it will stop. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Now, this my name, right, is going to be each of these values. Although we are not using it inside this loop, but it's still going to be each of these values. And so let's run it together. That's why we have these 5 elements. Now you can add an item to a list by using an inbuilt method called append. Append. So if I say names dot append, I can append. Let me append my middle name. So it's going to add this as part of this list. Print names. When you print names now, you will see that Nife will pass of the names here. Any question? Any question? Any question? Do we understand?
No question, sir.
Alright. I can also, if you don't break and continue, right? It also works here. For
Yes, sir.
name in names, I can say if name represents each of the item A. If name is equal to Elizabeth, then do whatever we have here. Back. So name will first be Taye. It will check this condition. Is Taye equals to Elizabeth? No. It's not going to do this here because it's not going to see the break. It will come here. This is not inside the if statement. This line 5 is not inside the if statement. So it's going to print my name is Taye. The name becomes the next value here, which is Kenny. It will ask again, is Kenny equals to Elizabeth? No. It will not do this. Then it will run to this line around this quote. My name is Kenny. The name becomes the next item, which is Elizabeth. Then it will check, is Elizabeth equals to Elizabeth? Yes. So to enter this place and break, it will terminate the loop. So we only see my name is Taye and my name is Elizabeth. And my name is Kenny. Any questions so far?
Sir, please, can you come again? Sorry.
Okay. Name will first be this. I can call this anything of my choice. I can say ABC. Although oftentimes we usually use this as a singular form of this. Right. or you can call it anything. For ABC in names, ABC will first be Taye. It will ask, is ABC, which is Taye, is it equals to Elizabeth? No. That means it will not enter this place. It will not. It will play this like, my name is ABC. Do you get that, sir?
Yes.
So that's going to be, my name is
So,
Taye.
sir, that means if so, sir, that means you are going to have we'll have all the names excluding Elizabeth.
No. We only have my name is Taye and my name is Ken.
Okay, yes. Okay, it's continuing that it's like that.
Yes. Blake means
Okay,
stop
I
the loop.
understand.
Okay, sir.
Sorry.
Okay, sir. So if it was to be continued, we have all the names excluding Elizabeth. Now, assignment. Here's how your code will work. Of course, first thing, you go to your users. When the user comes there, you welcome them. Welcome. One, to add a new name. Two, to display all names. Three, to skip a name. One, to add a new name. Two, to display all name. Three, to skip a name. So if I display, let's assume I selected one. It will ask me for the, enter the name you want to add. So I will enter the name. Let's say I enter James. It will display this message. James added successfully. It will display this message. James added successfully. When it is done, and I'm done with that one, it will ask me, do you want to do any other thing? One for yes, two for no. So if I selected one, which is yes, it will take me back here again. One, to add a new name. Two, to display all names. Three, to skip a name. Let's assume I selected one again. Let's display one again. It will take me back again. Enter the name you want to add. This time around, let's assume I entered Peter. This will now be Peter added successfully. It will now ask me, do you want to do any other thing? Let's assume I selected one. Yes, it will take me back to this place again. It will now tell me, like, let's assume I now selected two to display all names. Let's say I selected two. This is what it's going to do now. If I selected two, it will display all the names. It will display James is here. Then Peter is here. Because we've added two names. So display James is here, Peter is here. When it's done, it's taken back again to this place. Do you want to do any other thing? If I selected one, it's going to display this again. Let's now assume this time around I just try to skip a name. Skip a name. So if you ask me to enter the name I want to skip, enter the name you want to skip. So I will enter the name. Let's say I entered Peter. will only display James is there. Oops. It's only display James is there. Then when it's done, it will ask me again, do you want to do any other thing? Let's now say I selected 2 here. To say bye, that will be the head. Do we get the task? This skip a name will display all the names except the name I want to skip.
You skip a name, we get all the names except
The name, yes, except the name you entered.
except the name.
Yes.
Okay, okay. That Peter. Okay.
Any questions? Huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So I expect your assignment before the next class. Thanks for coming. Good night,
All
sir.
right.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right, sir.